I don't always do timing belts on Honda J Series V6s, but when I do, I use Aisin TKH002 timing belt component kits. Okay, let me show you what happened to this timing belt. So, I was working on this Honda Odyssey. What does it have? The Odyssey has a J35 V6 Honda engine in it, okay? So, get in there, right? So, first thing I noticed is it has this Mitsubishi timing belt, right? So this is a quality belt. No and if buts about it. But what they didn't do, they didn't use an original OE water pump, and they didn't change out the idler. But what they didn't do, they didn't change out the idler pulley or the tensioner idler pulley. And you can see these marks right here, right? That's not supposed to be there. And it sounds like junk too. No, it's this one. Can you guys hear that? I'll put it up to the mic. So this bearing is shot. I'm pretty positive. Actually 100% positive. This is original bearing. This is original. Tensioner's covered in oil. I don't know if it's original or not. Or the water pump is a GMB. So I know that's not original. But it doesn't seem bad. And one way you can tell a quality water pump, see these little divots right here? 1, 2, there's one there. The divots, these actually squeeze and hold on to the O-ring. And that happens on a lot of Aisin. Aisin has it. I don't know how you pronounce it. Most guys say Aisin. Other guys say Aisin. Aisin water pumps have these little divots that hold the O-ring in place. So I've seen Continental kits, Gates water pumps as well. They don't have this feature. So when you see this, it's a little bit higher quality water pump. And GMB right there. Worn out there. Worn out there. On this tensioner idler pulley, you have a bolt. You have this sleeve in here. Do not forget this sleeve when you reinstall the new one, okay? Also, take a look at this sleeve. So you can see it's not, I don't want to say it's damaged, it has just like wear marks on it. So if you see a specific spot where it's worn down, just rotate this 180 degrees because it doesn't really move in there at all, but you don't want to have a worn out spot in the same direction that it was wearing for 200,000 miles. So if you see a wear spot on this, just flip it 180. Also, I'm going to clean this up on a wire wheel. I'm going to put a little coating of grease on here before I put the new one in. Like I said, don't forget it when you put the new idler pulley in, but it's kind of hard to, because if you don't, this idler pulley will just flop around. Come on, get out. You can't put this on the engine in it and put the bolt in. This will just flop. You'll be like, what the heck? So just take note of that. If you see a wear mark on this sleeve, rotate 180 degrees. So it's really funny. Not funny, it's just sad. Guys, when you do timing belt, don't piece together a timing belt like this. Just go ahead, pick yourself up a Aisin timing belt component kit. Comes with everything you need. Comes with a new timing belt, comes with a new water pump, the O-ring, the tensioner, the sticker for your car, the idler pulleys, everything you need to do this job correctly. Don't piece it together like these guys did. And what I mean piece together, they got a GMB timing belt or water pump. They got a Mitsubishi timing belt, and they didn't even touch the tensioner or the idler pulleys. When you do it, go with a high quality kit like this one. I'll put links down in the description below where you guys can buy this kit on Amazon. Hope that helps you out, guys. Hope it saves you money. Don't face the frustration of trying to piece this thing together. Just one-stop shop, get everything you need.